Hello, it's your boy back at it. Back here with another unboxing video. My last video, if you remember, I did the Folgers Colombian medium roast, I believe, in the plastic tub, and that was pretty good. So we finished that one off and onto a new one. So before I start, just go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Tell your boss, tell a friend, call your representative, name your firstborn after me, the standard stuff. You just, that grind don't stop, and, just gotta get those counts up. All right. So getting into this unboxing here, we got Members Mark Classic Roast Coffee, ground Colombian, medium roast, 3 pounds. It's a pretty fat tub. The Members Mark, if you're unfamiliar, that's the Sam's Club house brand. So going a different way. We hear a lot of compliments about Costco brands and their in-house coffee. So I want to see if the old Sam's Club holds up as well. On the back here, we got some tips about preserving fresh flavor, storing in its original packaging with cover tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. A quick tip for the common man: cool, dry place. They're talking about your refrigerator. Ingredients, we got coffee. That's good. That's the only ingredient. We don't got the plastic tub. We're back to the steel or possibly aluminum can. Not sure yet. Probably steel. Got the nice ribbing on there for strength, and also for if you have a baby who wants to scratch on a washboard and make noise. It's kind of an instrument, so that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and pop this top off now. So we got freshness seal up here. You got a pull tab to rip it off, so let's just rip it off. Wow, that really comes off easy. Woo, it's pretty good. I will say on first sniff, it was slightly less satisfying than the Folgers coffee we had last time, so we're just going to see how this goes. There are a lot less features on this can to talk through, such as no grab handle, and that's about it. So yeah, oh, I forgot to check the bottom. It's about to slip out of my hand. Only got a date down there. So in this video, after some feedback, we're going to go ahead and do a first brew and a taste evaluation. So you need to get a spoon. Pop the top off. I got this locked and loaded, ready to go. It's got some water in it. It's got a filter in it. It's got the empty pot in it. Now you want to do 2 round tablespoons for the amount of water I got in here. There's 1. There's 2. So go ahead and get this going, and I'll check back once it's done. We're back. So it looks like the old coffee machine might be done. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah, it's totally done. Go ahead and turn that off. So now we're gonna go ahead and do a test. Got a plastic-free coffee cup that is 20 years old. It's pretty good. This pot is sometimes pretty drippy, so let's see how this works. Wow, it's working just fine. Who would have imagined that? All right, well, Let's see, first impressions. It smells like coffee. I don't know. It's not the best coffee smell I've ever smelled, but I don't know. It smells like coffee. Yeah. I don't know. I think I'd say it's pretty average. I do know that Kroger medium roast, their house brand, is really, really good, and that Folgers was pretty good. Not so sure about the Members Mark yet. I'll have to see if I have any more thoughts about it in the coming weeks, and if I grow to like it or what. Maybe I can give an update on my opinions in the start of the next unboxing video, which might be the Kroger, but we'll just have to see. All right, thanks everyone for following as usual. Catch you next time.